simple example of using functions. We just want to have a very small function called add that receives two arguments, x and y, and all the function needs to do is to print their total sum, and then we want inside our main program to basically test that function. For example, if we call the function with add 5 and 7, we should receive a result like this. So this is what the function is supposed to do. So obviously the first thing is to declare the function. Always before calling the function, ensure that you declared the function. We use the keyword def in Python to declare a function. Then we say add, and we expect to receive two arguments. Let's just call them x and y. And then all we can do is say print x. We're just constructing the screen, the string that's supposed to go to the screen, plus y equals x plus y. That's basically the function, and once it's done, we can just call the function, for example 5 and 7, and when you run it, you can see you get the result. If you supply different arguments like 98 and 12, again, same result.